So, tell me a little bit about yourself. This has got to be the most asked interview question. So in this episode of She Means Business, I'm going to talk about tell me about yourself. First, I'm going to talk about why interviewers really ask this question. It's very important to know the logic behind this so that you can actually frame your answers accordingly. And then we're going to talk about how you should reply to this question or what your framework should be. This is Deepika Singh and welcome to She Means Business. And before we go forward, please do subscribe to this YouTube channel. And if you're watching this on Instagram, LinkedIn or Facebook, don't forget to connect with me and also follow me. Tell me about yourself. Now what you need to understand is that when you're going for an interview, you're understandably nervous. You're concerned about what questions are going to be asked. You feel slightly lost, but also look at it from the interviewer's perspective. She's equally lost. She's also grappling with the situation. She has 40 to 45 minutes in which to figure out whether you're suitable for the position or not, whether you fit not only in terms of your qualifications, but also in terms of your attitude. Do you fit with the team? Do you fit with the culture of the organization? She needs to figure all of this out as well. Possibly when you walk in, she's also kind of forgotten why she shortlisted you. So she needs to go back and have a look at your CV as well. Which is why this is the first question that most interviewers ask, because they just want to get a sense of who you are. Before the interview begins, before she asks you about your qualifications, your role, your achievements, what has she done, she just wants to get a sense of who you are. Hence, the easiest thing to ask is tell me a little bit about yourself. It really is the easiest way to ease into the interview from the interviewer's perspective. Now, as an interviewee, what should you answer? There are so many things. But before I go into the framework of what you should reply, I quickly want to tell you something which is very important. When you answer this question, you can actually start the interview either at this level or at this level. What do I mean? If you reply with a boring summary of your resume, you start the interview here. But if you give her hooks, interesting hooks, which she can latch on to for more interesting questions, or you can give her an achievement or a skill that she would like to know about, then you start the interview here. It really is in your hands how you start the interview, right? The other thing I want to say before again I go into the framework is that a lot of us walk into an interview and think we can wing the answer. What stops us from preparing beforehand for the tell me about yourself question? So before you go into an interview, frame like a little pitch, frame an answer, frame a reply so that you're ready with the answer to tell me about yourself instead of thinking ki wahi pe kuch, we'll just wing it. Now, coming to what you should say, the reply. Please don't make it a summary of your CV. Currently I'm working here. Before that I was working there, and before that these are my educational qualifications. I live with my family. I have a little puppy. I like to travel. No, that's not what you should be saying. What you need to do, of course, one is talk about your current role. Wherever you are working right now, or whichever your last assignment was, talk about that. But instead of droning on and on about what your role demanded, talk a little bit about, what the role was, what you did, and bring in one achievement, right? And to substantiate that achievement, put in a story or a case study, right? So it's very important to have one really interesting story about your current assignment, which showcases an achievement. That is the first thing that you should do. Beyond that, talk a little bit about your past, qualifications as well, where you work, but keep it simple. Basically, talk about how you grew into this role, what you learned and how you grew into this last assignment, because from her perspective, that is the most relevant work that you're doing right now. That's one. Two, bring in a skill which is not mentioned or not reflected on your resume. See, a resume is fairly black and white. It talks about your role, what you're doing, how much, what your achievements are, what kind of team are you handling, but it never really showcases skills like, you know, you could be the person who is responsible for the engagement in the team, right? So you participate a lot, or you initiate a lot of team engagement activities. You could have a skill of understanding what a client really wants and being able to translate that into a great brief for your operations team, right? These are skills that never really come across in a resume. So you need to mention those. You need to mention a skill that you're proud of, and that could be a value add to your, you know, to the role that you're applying for. And again, substantiate that with a story or a case study. Very, very important. The last thing I would say is that, you know, if you want to bring in a co-curricular activity from which defines you as a professional as well, bring that in as well. So for example, you could really like challenging outdoor activities, and that has taught you a lot about teamwork. Or how about pushing yourself really hard because of those outdoor activities. If you feel there is an outdoor activity that really has helped you grow as a professional, bring that in as well, but there should be some relevance. The thing is, with Tell Me About Yourself, she's basically trying to understand what your skills are, what your achievements are, how you fit in, right? It's up to you to give a great answer. This is Deepika Singh, and I really wanted to do an episode on Tell Me About Yourself. I've been taking these mock interviews for a few MBA students, and I've had a lot of learnings from there, and I've had a lot of stuff to tell them as well. So this has been a great experience, and I really wanted to make an episode around Tell Me About Yourself. Till next time, stay tuned, stay happy, stay focused. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And in case you want to do a workshop on life skills, please reach out to me at info@shemeansbusiness.co. Till next time, bye-bye.